This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Open the app and create your Motus account, then verify your email and enable two-factor if offered. Next, grant location, Bluetooth, and motion permissions so sensors can report in the background. Once done, pair any external device by tapping Add Device and scanning the QR or selecting it from Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth stays on. Start with a quick profile setup, height, weight, activity baseline, so Motus has accurate starting values for calibration and recommendations. Now configure the app to match how you work. Choose the sensor type and run automatic calibration for 2-3 minutes. If something feels off, use manual calibration to tweak sensitivity and baseline. Then set measurable goals, duration, intensity, cadence, and enable smart notifications to receive alerts only when thresholds are crossed. Make sure your data sync interval is reasonable, for example 15 minutes, and select preferred units. Once configured, check the activity preview to confirm live readings look realistic. Start an activity and watch live metrics. Use pause and resume for interruptions and glance at the compact HUD for real-time feedback. When you finish, open the session summary to review key stats, compare trends, and export CSV or share a PDF report with coaches or teammates. If you notice missing data, follow one troubleshooting tip. Restart Bluetooth, force quit the Motus app, then repair the sensor. This clears stale connections. Finally, backup settings to cloud to preserve calibrations and preferences for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.